I'm a day and a half away from leaving for my trip, and I thought it'd be so fun to bring you along as I pack. But right now, this is part of my prep. I do want to make sure that I have a really good tan. If you don't know who I am, I'm Action Jacqueline. Normally, I know I'm working out with you. I got engaged in September, so this weekend is my bachelorette weekend. I am so excited. We are going to Miami. Come along with me as I prep. Please excuse our messy kitchen, but what are you making?
Brown pork.
Oh, nice. What else?
That's it.
For dinner?
No, for dinner I'm gonna make us keto meat.
Oh, nice. I'm excited for that. Oh, so this is your lunch?
This is my lunch.
Oh.
In 2 hours I'll make our dinner.
Okay, that makes sense. He eats a lot. Let's go into my room. Okay, you're seeing like the real behind the scenes. It is such a mess. Look at my pile. I have just been piling everything. Okay, I just got out of the shower. It is so hot here, by the way, so I'm like still sweating, and we do not have air conditioning. Right now I'm gonna clean up everything. I have some laundry that I need to put away, and then I'm gonna get to the packing.
Okay.
Do you have anything you want to say to the ladies?
Yeah, I hope you have a wonderful time. Just party it out. I'm gonna be here.
What are you gonna do?
I'm gonna work a lot. I'm gonna sleep in, surf
You
a lot.
always sleep in. You always surf.
No, I'm not gonna sleep in. I'm gonna wake up early.
I always am the one that wakes up early, and he always sleeps in.
Probably gonna travel up and down the coast. Just have my own little adventure. Back to packing.
I went to go get my big suitcase from the garage. I have not used a big suitcase in years, so I just figured out that it doesn't pull up all the way. Shoot, and it doesn't even really roll that well. I think I'm gonna have to go get another suitcase, you guys. I'm like so pissed. I literally just came from the mall that was like 30 minutes away. Now I gotta go back. Kind of secretly happy that it is not working because I honestly really wanted like a brand new one, but I'm so practical that I'm like, I already have one. There's no sense of having two, but now that it is broken, I think it's time. I called and I'm gonna have to actually order it and then pick it up tomorrow right before my flight. So it's okay, we're gonna make it work. I've got my packing cubes here. My sister got them for me and I was like, I'm never gonna use that. And now that I started using it, you guys, there's no other way to pack unless you pack with packing cubes. So I gotta go through this pile. This is a lot. And I even got some packages I'm going through right now, but at least my room is clean and my laundry is done. Check mark there. And then tomorrow I'm gonna get my nails done. So I still got a lot to do. But I got a really good workout in today. I did a lot of good booty. I went for a run and I did some core. I've been on a really good workout schedule. Yeah, I am feeling so strong, you guys. If you haven't tried one of my workouts yet, definitely go try one of my workouts. I want to show you a couple of the things that I got the girls. First one was when I went to the lavender farm in Virginia, right next to their house. Got these, they're called hangover helpers. Oh my gosh, I wish you could smell it. It has lemon, peppermint, lavender, patchouli, basil, and they're just like little shower steamers. So I thought that this would be so cute to put in everyone's bag. The other thing that my sister found for me, this was at Target, you know, the stony clover. So perfect because my theme is shake your pom-poms. How cute are these? Look, I got a stony clover airplane thing. I think I got like chocolate on it. I love how it has this little key thing here because then you can just hang it. Look at what I got made. Look, it says shake your pom-pom, Jacqueline's Bachelorette, Miami, Florida, Casa de Jacqueline. How cute are these? So I want to show you the necklaces that I got my sisters. I got this little matching set here. This one is a birthstone. It has pearl in it. It's like, oh my gosh, I love it. So I gave them a layering set and then also a matching bracelet. So mine says J. I'm so excited to give that to them. So I'm making pretty good progress here on my packing. I've got all of my swim and then I've got my workout clothes right here. The place that we're staying at is supposed to have like the most gorgeous gym in the world. I've got my shoes. Oh my gosh, look at these shoes. I went kind of crazy with my shopping. Like this is the most shopping I've done in my life. So I went into Nordstrom and they were on the sale rack. I got them half off. I'm like, score. Other pair that I got are these ones. They were also in the sale rack and I was like, oh my gosh, these are like so perfectly bridal for me. They're also half off. Oh, and then my friend got me this from Anthropologie. Cute little like vintage white bag. Pulling out all the stops, you guys. I feel like honestly like I'm a little girl again, like playing dress up for the first time. It feels like it's been that long because it had COVID and everything and I literally just wear workout clothes all day long. So for me, this is like such a change of pace. So there's a company called 12th and Tribe. Have you guys ever heard of it? They have actually really cute stuff. Some of it's a little slinky for me. Like I like a little bit more like tighter structured, but look at these shoes. cute. Oh my gosh. And these were half off too. I was like, why is everything half off? Probably because a lot of people don't buy white. I don't know. I love these shoes. I have to show you these ones that I got, but look at how cute these little like pink shoes are. Oh my gosh, I totally just forgot that I haven't picked up my tailoring. So I'm gonna have to go pick that up later. Okay, a little update from me. I got everything organized. Believe it or not, this is actually organized. I know it doesn't look like it. In my mind it is, like I have it kind of mapped out and I went through everything that I'm bringing. I also spent a long time wrapping the tequilas. One other thing that I did that took a long time was filling the little packs for them. I filled it with like little beauty products, this Thrive Cosmetic. Oh, and one more thing that I want to show you are these really cute little scrunchies. This is that Stony Clover. I have way more stuff for the packs, but I actually shipped it all to the hotel because it was just way too much to carry. So that will be in the next video where I'll show you what I got all of the girls, and oh my gosh, it is so cute. Like, you're gonna die. About 6 o'clock now. Josh went to the store and he's gonna make us some yidomi and homemade tzatziki sauce. We always prefer to cook because we like to know what's in our ingredients. And if you've never seen our program, we have healmygut.com, which we teach all of our clients how to eat well. I love knowing that I know what to eat. So my stomach has been super flat. I feel like in control. I know exactly what to eat. So I'm gonna feel super confident when I'm out there in my bikini all weekend. And that's because I've been applying all of the HMG principles, which we teach all of our clients. If you're interested in that, I'll leave a link down below. And if you want more info, then click it and you can learn more. I'm gonna take a little breather and we'll continue this tomorrow. Good morning, guys. It is time to finish my packing. Still have my little retainers in here. We leave tonight at 10 p.m. I'm gonna go work out. Definitely want to get a really good sweat on so that I am nice and tired once I get into the airplane. I was gonna come out here and show you the view, but I forgot this is here. This is our new king mattress. We just need to get a new base, so we're waiting for that to come in. See, I'm trying a new brow gel and I'm fluffing it. Actually works pretty good. He doesn't like how I fluff it.
Yeah, I don't think so.
Why not?
I like you how you were. I like it normal.
I like the fluff. What do you not like about it?
It looks manly.
Well, I like it, so I'm gonna keep it.
Yeah.
Okay, I just finished my workout, you guys. I have been on point with my workout. Oh my gosh, guess what? I'm like, ugh, are you serious? I just started my period today and I'm like, oh my God, I'm wearing white all weekend. Why? Just trying to stay positive. Anyways, I'm gonna drive up, go get my suitcase, and then I've got a ton more errands I need to run. Got my luggage. It is so pretty. Look at it. I'm in the middle of Nordstrom right now. I love it. It's time to take back all of my returns. I have so many dresses that I tried on here. This is my Rent the Runway. This is Abercrombie. So much stuff. So returning all of it. All right. Got my earring. Okay, I've got all my cubes. Not show you my nails yet. Did the French ombre, and then I got little sparkle on my toes. Can you see? Today was a full day. I got the cleaners, I got my tailoring, I got my nails done, I went to the store, got myself some little snacks, I picked up my suitcase. What else did I do? I'm like exhausted right now and it's hot and I'm sweating, but I'm almost there. I just need to put everything in, zip it up, and then I am heading out the door. All packed. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is a lot of stuff, but it's gonna be so worth it. I did not hold back in what I packed. Make sure that you watch the next vlog because that's gonna be the actual bachelorette weekend. Love you guys so much. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and join me in a workout if you haven't yet, and love you so much. Bye.